I want to point out some terminologies that we usually hear in the industry when it comes to research, right? Basically, when we talk about user research, right, or qualitative user research, if I borrow the term from Mina's session, user research, and there's usability testing, right? And there's could be like discovery research as well. The way that I categorize these terms is that user research is the umbrella term. So user research is the activities that user experience people do in order to understand our user more by getting a chance to really interact, ask questions, observe, or whatever, right? This is user research. And then under user research, I split them into two sides, right? The first side is discovery research. The second side is usability testing. And what are the differences? Basically, if we look at it from the user's point of view, those who participate in our sessions, right? Discovery research is when we ask questions about their past experience, what they have learned, what they have suffered from products or services that they use or not use, right? These are discovery research. Whereas when we talk about usability testing, we have a product of our focus. We are focusing on one product. Either we are working on a product or we want to improve it, but we haven't started working on it yet. And then we recruit some user in, right? And the user help us test for usability. Hence the name usability testing, right? The user come in to help test to see if it's usable or not. Usable means easy to use, right? So from the user's point of view, right? The user are there to do different types of activities. If we look at it from a little nerdier side, from the cognitive side, right? Discovery research is when the user is there to recall their past memories. They're there to tell us stories, right? So what they're doing is that they're just there telling us what they have learned, what they have seen, what they have experienced, right? Whereas for, usability testing, usability testing itself, right? It is sort of like a problem-solving activity because the user never learned about this product or this version of the product before. So they're there. They try to solve some kind of problems. And what kind of problems? Basically, we'll be giving them tasks to do, right, using the product. And then the user will be there trying to find their ways in order to complete those tasks, right? So it is more challenging for usability testing, and it's supposed to be because we try to learn to see if people can learn how to use it or not, which is a part of usability itself, right? Whereas for discovery research, the challenge lies in whether people can really remember things or not. So there has to be a moderator there applying some techniques to help people recalling their past memories.